Good morning and welcome to our number of the day. Let's see what it could be. Okay, so we know that yesterday's number of the day was 7, so we know that today it is 1 more than 7. We also know that the number of the day today is 1 less than 9. Say it if you know it. I can hear lots of you saying 8. Are you right? Whoops. Good job. Well done, everybody. So magic pencils out, and we're going to go around, then over to the other side, back again and up. So watch me do that again. So we go around, over to the other side, back again and up. Good job. So do that right in front of you on the table or on the carpet, up to the ceiling, over to the window, over to the door, and as always on your forehead. Oh, I do like that one. Shall we see what we have in here today? Oh, that's not 8. Oh, hang on a minute. There's something more in here. Oh, this makes a bit more sense. So we've got a red and a yellow. So I know that's a 5 and a 3. Let's count that up together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 8, and I'm going to check it with the 8 that I conveniently have in front of me here. Does it go exactly over? Oh dear. Does it go exactly over it? Yes, it does. So I know that a 3 and a 5 will give me the amount of 8, and that is the colour 8 in our Numicon. Oh, that was an interesting one. Right, I'll pop this back and let's get on with our lesson. Okay, so all of this week we've been really focusing on not just starting at the number 1 and counting to 20, but starting anywhere and wherever we start on the number line, being able to carry on to the end and then being able to go backwards as well. So you are going to help me do something because I went out on a little bit of a mini beast hunt and I found 10 worms, but something is about to happen to them. Are you ready to help me? Okay, I'm going to show you my little worms that I found. Okay, so these are the worms that I found in my garden. Now, as you can see, I found 10, but just count them with me just to make sure I've counted them correctly. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And because we're really good at counting backwards, let's just make sure that we do have 10. So we'll start at 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now, what happens is we've got one cheeky little worm, and it's this one here. I'm going to give him a very cheeky little face. Oh, look at that. And he keeps telling all of the other worms to roll over because do you know what? They're actually in a bed right now. And this little worm, he keeps saying, roll over, and guess what happens? Well, let me show you, but I'm going to need your help because this is a song. Miss McCall is not going to sing it, I'm afraid, but I'm going to say it, but you can sing it with me if you want to, okay? So it goes like this. There were 10 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. How many are left? Now, before we count this up, I want to just show you something because there is now a space where 1 was. So we started with 10, but 1 has gone away and you can see there's a space where it once was. Okay, so if some of you know what 10 take away 1 is, say it now and let's count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are now 9 worms left. Guess what? There were 9 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. So you can see here, we now have a space where 2 of them were. They're not there anymore, they fell off the bed. So if you know what 10 take away 2 is, say it now, and we're going to double check by counting. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, because lots of you did know what 10 take away 2 was. You knew it was 8. Okay, sing it with me if you can remember. There were 8 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. Goodness me. So we started with 10. We've lost 3. If you know what 10 take away 3 is, say it now. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job, really good counting. Okay, how many did I just say? 7. There were 7 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. So we started with 10. We've now got a space of 4 because 4 have fallen out. So 10 take away 4. If you know it, say it. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brilliant work. Okay, there were 6 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. So we started with 10. 5 have rolled out. If you think you know what 10 take away 5 is, say it now. Otherwise, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant work. There were 5 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. Now, you can probably guess without counting, and that's a really good skill. That's called subitizing. So if you can see that amount without having to count, you are a subitizer. You're a subitizer's superpower. So let's count it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Okay, there were 4 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. So just help me out here. We started with 10. 7 have rolled out. How many are left in the bed? 3. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. There were 3 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. How many are left? You should all be able to do this one. It is 2. Fantastic. Sing it with me. There were 2 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and 1 fell out. How many is left now? It is 1. Brilliant work. Well done. Now, just help me out because sometimes I find it difficult to understand. How many worms did we start off in the bed with? Well done. We started with 10. How many have rolled out so far? And you can see here there's the space where they once were, but they're not there anymore. Well done. 9 of them rolled out. How many do we have left? Okay, are we ready? Sing this with me. There was 1 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So he rolled over and he fell out. How many are in the bed now? No worms in the bed. Let that be a lesson to those little worms. Really good work today. Well done. So we're really working on counting backwards and counting forwards, and I'm now going to give you a little challenge. So this is the worksheet for today. You will see the page is number 7. So you need to find number 7 page. And what you're going to do, I'm going to bring you a little bit closer, is you are like this little worm here, okay? So you're starting at the maze, and what you have to do is you have to find the next number, okay? So I'm going to start you off, but I'm not going to show you how to get to the end of the maze. It's a lot of fun. So you start at 1. What comes after 1? 2. What comes after 2? 3, 4, 5. Now, what Miss McHale did was I used my pen, because you have to make a mark, because you have to show that little worm the path. So your job from now on is you then have to find the number that comes after 5. So it was really lovely doing maths with you today. Well done. I cannot wait to see how you get on with your maths mazes. And maybe if you go out for a walk today, you can have a look to see if you've seen any worms out and about. Have a lovely day and see you tomorrow. Bye.